Hey guys, Thrifty Christian here. I've got a quick video that I want to just, put out there for you guys, involving, as you can see in the title, Don't Be Bullied by PayPal. Um, Something that happened yesterday to my wife in her account. I was shipping some items, and as I went to pay for the shipping on these items, it popped up a red flag. PayPal said that the account was in the negative, about $278. So here's what happened, and here's what I want you to know. Here's what I want you to take from this video and absorb it, and I want you to do your own research so that way you can see that what I'm telling you is the absolute truth. Now, in PayPal Seller Protection Program, there are certain things that you should not do. And I'm not going to go through those things. I'll just give you a brief rundown. It's how you ship an item, whether or not you have sent it to the actual address that PayPal provides for you, what the item is. There are certain things that don't meet the criteria for PayPal's seller protection program, and you need to make yourself familiar with these things. You need to at least go through and read. If you're selling high dollar items, by all means, always make sure that the address that you ship it to is the same one that PayPal provides. Okay? PayPal, not eBay, but PayPal, because their requirement is that you need to send it to the address that they provide. Also, no local pickups. Do not do a local pickup if it's a valuable item, because these people can they can claim that they never received the item, and there's no tracking that was uploaded. There's nothing there to prove that you actually delivered the product to them. If you're a store owner, and they come in and they make a purchase with their PayPal, again, you're not covered. Someone may say, hey, Thrifty, you're wrong, man. But trust me, if you go in and go to PayPal's website and type in PayPal Seller Protection Program, or go to any sold listing or where you have received funds, you can simply go right there and click, and you'll see the seller protection, whether it's eligible or not. And then it'll open up the page where you can scroll down about, I would say about midway is where you're going to find PayPal Seller Protection Program title. And then from there you can read down and go over it and make sure you have a firm understanding. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you exactly what happened yesterday, and I'm going to teach you how not to be bullied by PayPal, because that's your money, not theirs. The longer it sits in their account, the more money that they can earn interest off of it with. So my thing is that get your money out of their hands. They don't deserve to have it. They've already been paid 2.9% plus a 30-cent fee for every transaction that you do. So get your money out of there as quick as you can. However you do it, transfer, bank, whatever. Just get it out of there. All right, to the story. So as I said, I was shipping an item yesterday. They gave me a pop-up that said the account is negative $278, I believe it was, something like that. And immediately I'm like, okay, a chargeback. We are approaching the season, the holiday season, where fraud is just going to run rampant, okay? And a lot of people out there that are selling items are going to get hit with these chargebacks, okay? So here's how to protect yourself. Here's what you do to get PayPal, to release that hold. Because basically, they're going to hold your money if you let them, okay? If you have complied with uploading tracking, okay, which is done automatically, you just have to make sure, like I said earlier, that you sent it to the appropriate address and that it shows delivered through the USPS or FedEx or UPS or whoever you use. As long as it shows delivered, okay, and it's not an item that they say doesn't meet the requirements, then you're good to go. Here's what you do. You call PayPal be pleasant and say, hi, yes, I've noticed that on my account here, it says there's an unresolved issue in the resolution center. They will say, yeah, give me a moment and I'll look it up for you. They'll find it and they'll say, yeah, there's a negative balance here. Looks like a chargeback or something. And of course, you've already done your homework prior to this and you've already looked at your tracking information. And you've already seen that it has been delivered. Okay. At that point, you would kindly say, yeah, if you look down through this actual transaction, you will see that this item was delivered to the buyer and that there is tracking on it. And I would like you to reaffirm that I am covered under the seller's protection program and release my funds. That's all you have to say. It shouldn't take them no more than 5 minutes to release your funds and deal with the problem that they have to deal with now, because it's no longer your problem. Okay? So immediately after that, they will release your funds if everything is in accordance. And one thing that you have to know is that although they've released your funds, if you go back to your home page, which I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to hit my back arrow here. You will still see that in the resolution center, there will still be an unresolved problem. It won't go away for a while. It'll stay there. I've got a couple on mine that have been there for probably going on 6 months now. So, but it'll still show that it'll be pending, and they should tell you this. They'll tell you that, okay, your funds are released, but there will still be a pending issue showing up in the unresolved problems area. Okay? So, guys, don't be bullied by PayPal. Understand what I'm saying. If you've got any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll help you in any way I can. I hope this blesses somebody out there today. If you like the information that I gave you, please give me a thumbs up. That's all I want. Just one. Okay? But anyway, guys, have a great day. God bless each and every one of you. Thrifty Christian out.